CNC pipe bending machine with 6-axis. CNC pipe bending machine is a mechanical equipment specially used to bend metal pipes. It achieves precise bending of metal pipes by controlling the machine's operating system and CNC technology. The main uses of CNC pipe bending machines include the following aspects. Construction and structural engineering. CNC pipe bending machines are often used in construction and structural engineering to bend metal pipes, such as steel pipes, aluminum pipes, etc., to meet the needs of building structures. For example, in construction, it is used to make stairs, handrails, railings, etc. Automobile and vehicle manufacturing. CNC pipe bending machines are widely used in the automobile and vehicle manufacturing industry and are used to bend body pipes, exhaust pipes, oil pipes and other components to meet vehicle structure and functional requirements. Furniture manufacturing. CNC pipe bending machines are also used in the furniture manufacturing industry to bend metal pipes to make furniture skeletons and support structures, such as sofas, chairs, tables, etc. Pipeline engineering. CNC pipe bending machines play a key role in pipeline engineering and are used to bend various pipes, such as water supply pipes, gas pipes, heating pipes, etc., to meet the needs of pipe layout and pipe connection. Aerospace and shipbuilding. CNC pipe bending machines are widely used in the fields of aerospace and shipbuilding for bending metal pipes to make pipes and structural parts for aircraft, rockets, ships, etc. All in all, the main purpose of CNC pipe bending machines is to precisely bend metal pipes in various industries to meet the structural and functional needs of different industries and fields.